Hello, and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is being hosted by Christina with the DIY Mommy. She has asked us to do either a DIY, fall DIY, or a show our decor spaces or something that is fall related. It's the Fall and Decor Challenge 2018. So here are some little pics that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just took them outside and spray painted them real quick. Now I'm also going to be using a couple of these paints, just acrylic paints. I had this little locker mirror I thought was really cute. I just need the mirror part of it though. Here's just a little paint and brush, and I'm going to use some Q-tips on to do my painting with. And then of course my glue gun and my glue sticks. And I'm also going to use this little, I found this little jar at the Dollar Tree, as well as the candlestick holder and one of the pillar candle holders. So that's what I'm going to be using for my materials for this project. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my paint and put it down here, and I'm just going to start painting my already painted pumpkins that I'm just going to make some little stripes and some polka dots. That's why I'm using the Q-tip, just to make the little polka dots on the pumpkins. This season, or this year for me, I'm going completely non-traditional, and everything is going to be pretty much black and white. And I was going to add some pink on these pumpkins, but I kind of decided against it on this one. So all I'm doing right here is just following the little lines in the pumpkins and just kind of going down there. And for the white pumpkins, I'm just going to do the same exact thing, except it's going to be it'll be black polka dots with black stripes on those. And here they are, they're all done. They're just waiting to dry. Put some glitter on some of the white ones, and I think they all turned out so cute. Can't wait to show you what I do with them. Just one moment. So at Dollar Tree, right around back to school time, they had these little locker mirrors, and well, I only needed the little mirror part, so I'm just going to clean that off real quick. So I just peeled off the sticker to the candle pillar holder thing, and I'm going to take the little rubber thing off of the jar that I picked up, and I'm just going to hot glue that and stick it to the very bottom of the candle pillar holder. Now I'm just going to take my mirror and then turn it upside down, and take my other little candle holder, just hot glue that right onto the underside of the little mirror. And as you can see, it is starting to take shape. I was going to start gluing, and I thought, oh, wait a minute, I got to fill it first. So hold on. Here's what it's going to look like, though. I'm just going to have to fill it with my little pumpkins. So for the pumpkins, all I did was take my scissors and just cut them all down. I did leave like the little part on the top, just so it looked like it had like a little stem. And now that all the stems are off, I'm just going to fill up my little apothecary jar. I'm just going to stick them in there and see how they look. I'll show you in just a moment where I display it in my home. And here it is. I put it right here on my coffee table. Just got that coffee table recently from Wayfair. Gosh, I just love that thing. and it looks quite stunning on there. I think that project turned out really, really cute. I just decorated it with my little pumpkins and that little white one I got from that one from Home Goods, and I think the other one I got from Target, and I just think it's so adorable. So here is my final product. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much, Christina, for hosting this collaboration. Of course, I will have a link to her channel below, as well as the playlist as soon as it becomes available. Thank you so much for watching now. Bye-bye.